In this video, I'm going to show you two small, very miniature paintings. If you happen to enjoy this video, please take a moment to give it a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I've taken two small wooden pieces which I've cut it myself. So I got one of them from compound, and then I've sliced them diagonally so that I get these ones, or otherwise if you don't have, you can actually buy them online, so it's very easily available. This is just according to my size, and then I had the thinner one and the thicker one. The size of this is approximately around less than 3-inch length and then less than 1.5-inch height. So it's a very small miniature, but make sure that the brush which you are using is actually comfortable for you to paint on it, or otherwise if you are planning to paint the same thing a little bit bigger in size, it's just up to you. It might be a little bit difficult if it is smaller, and just concentrate on exactly layer by layer. I'm using acrylics. You can even use poster colors, but these paintings are actually available on my site if you want to buy them as a gift for someone or otherwise for yourself. So they are actually varnished. The photos which I've shown earlier are they are without varnish. The entire thing with the varnish one is online, so I'll be putting them online soon, so you can actually check it out. So acrylic paints, I've used different brands, but make sure whenever you need opaque color, you need to use opaque color. If not, what happens is if you just buy transparent colors, you won't be able to get that effect of texture or otherwise the layering. Those are the things that you need to keep in mind. Just watch this video and just let me know how you feel about it.